Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So today's video is again on ticker symbol PROG, and I have been making a lot of video on this particular stock, and we have been doing day trading, swing trading, and also holding this particular one over our Discord, our members. So we are following this stock each and every day. So again, that is why I'm making another video. So anyway, so in this particular video, I want to talk about some things like the support, resistance, short interest, then short shares availability, option chain, and more. And definitely, I will talk about some trade ideas if you're planning for day trade, swing trade, or even you want to buy some long-term thing. So anyway, give a like if you find this video useful. Subscribe my channel. Also, if you want, you can join my Patreon and you can get access to my Discord so that you can get daily trade ideas and instant alert during pre-market and market hours. So first of all, looking at the chart, last Friday was really good because the stock was up 18.4%. So really a nice move. You can see it was moving around this area, then suddenly boom. And I think at one point it was halted around 3.3, then moving sideways even after hour, looking really nice. If you look at last 5 days chart, nice thing, went up, came down, and again now curling up. The 1 month chart even better, and see how it is going up step by step. It's not like a pump and up, one day $5, next day 5 cents. No, step by step it is making higher highs and also higher lows. Very nice price action. If we look at last Friday, the all US exchange volume leaders, definitely number one is PHE1 fund, and I made another video on fund, so if you want, check it out. The number 3 is PROG Pro. Look at the volume, 188 million traded on Friday. Very exciting. And there are so many things I want to talk, but before that, if you're a day trader or swing trader, in our Discord we started around 0.9. So Jeff, a member from our community, introduced that to us, and some of us are holding from 0.9 to 3.5. We are also making lots of day trading, swing trading. Even Friday you see a big change, right? PHEN, we started the journey around 1.2 and did some trading, but anyone holding from 1.2 all the way to 24 in 2 days, 2000% gain. Same thing for PVTS. It's a swing trade for us. We entered around $1. It went all the way to 1.9, 81%. So if you want this kind of trade ideas, support, resistance for day trading, swing trading, or even option, I invite you to join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord. I have formal Patreon and VIP package. Give a try. You can get access to my all alert. You can chat with my community members and many more. You can also join my YouTube community and get access to many things. Anyway, you see the last alert was on Pro. Okay, so few important things I think I want to talk. So whenever we talk about Pro, people talk about the short interest. So I'm just going there to Fintel. Just want to show you something that as per Fintel, the shorts, they have only 0.06 days to cover, meaning that the number is very small. So whenever there will be a squeeze, it will go really fast. In the dark pool, the short volume is 53 million shares shorted, and the percentage of short interest is 47%, very high. Go down, the short shares availability is 0, very exciting. So there is no shares available to short. Also, if I come down, you can see it was shorted like 47%, 52%. So lots of shorting happening each and every day. There is another website I found recently. It's a nice one because you can track by time and by day. So this is for PROG, and if you look at the number of shares available, it is 0, right? So this is the nice thing. Currently, there is 0 shares available to short. You see at one point, maybe I'll just come down. So at one point, there are lots of shares available. You see some numbers, then it became 0. So now 0 shares are available to short. This is really a good thing. Look at the borrow fee rate, 76.89%. Meaning that the shares who are shorting, they are paying a lot of interest each and every day. They are paying a lot. Currently this is 76%. It was around 81, 82, but it's still very high. Few other things in terms of volume, because PROG is a stock which has got a lot of attention in YouTube, in Twitter, and stock with, so lots of volume coming recently, right? But still, if you see the average volume was 135 million, and the volume for Friday was even higher, 188 million. Really nice price action. Also have a look on the volume day by day. You can see each week it goes higher then comes down, but the volume is consistent, right? This week it has some nice volume, again ended the day with a nice volume. So really nice. As long the volume is coming, you can see the price is climbing up, but not a pump and up, gradually. This is what I like for this particular stock. I also went to Reddit and I found some short interest information. So current short interest is 67%. The short interest was changed 1.6%, so 67%. Also cost to borrow is 235%, really high as per Ortex data. And what other things I can find from Reddit? Another post, it says about 66%, so I don't care. 66-67%, I'm not very fast with that. I'll talk about the option chain activity, but let's go back to the chart now. So first of all, look at the chart. Why? Because it has a support around 0.9, then the next support it made it 1.2, then the next support is 1.5, then the next support was around 3. The next morning we predicted it will go higher, it went to 3.5. a lot of day traders make money, we made money. It came down all the way around 2.3. and why 2.3? Maybe I'll just draw another line here just to show why it bounced from 2.3, right? So here 2.3 was some kind of a resistance, so it came at 2.3, and from 2.3 a real squeeze. So many people, maybe they shorted in these areas, right? So when the volume came, suddenly they covered and it went up, it went to 3.3, it halted, it came down. But the very nice thing I like here is it is holding the 2.75 to 3, these areas. So nice consolidation is happening in this area. So as long I see it is holding the 2.75 support, this is a really a good one. So if you are planning to enter for this one, you can enter. If it pulls back to 2.75, you enter here with a stop loss, definitely. So enter here, then ride the wave to $3, 3.3 and more. Look at here, previously that was our buy zone, right? But we dropped, but we recovered, and we are still maintaining this area. So if I extend this area, right? If I extend this area, still this is the place, right? It should hold. Now I'm gonna zoom and I want to show you even more what is happening. So yesterday what happened? So 3.3, I'll just draw a line here. So it came to 3.3, came down, but it always maintained the 2.75 support, tried to push up, again went all the way to 3.2, I guess. 3.2 came down, after hour came down, again it is trying and pushing, right? You see it went and it got rejected at 3.2. So the interesting thing, or the important thing, you can say that it has to break 3.2. First of all, it was halted at 3.3, otherwise it might go even higher. And we know, like PHUN, TWAC, they came down massively. So maybe that was the catalyst for bringing this down from 3.3 to 2.7, but it doesn't matter. As long we break 3.2, 3.5, then definitely I will be looking towards 3.56. And why 3.56 or 3? Let's say 3.5, because last time it got rejected at 3.5. Now once we break 3.3, definitely we will test 3.5. And as long the volume is coming, this is the beauty, this thing will go higher. Look at the volume here, right? Volume bars went higher, volume bars went higher. So more volume, it will push higher. So after 3.5, what are the next level of resistance? In my chart, I have something around 3.88 or 3.9, and I'm sure these are coming from the previous month or weeks. So let me go back to our daily chart so that I can see how we are getting these lines here. So look here, the previous chart is kind of slow, it's loading, but it doesn't matter. As long it loads, I'm happy. Okay, so this is the daily chart, right? So once 3.5 is broken, definitely we will see a resistance around 3.9, because sometime in June of this year 3.9 was acting like a resistance. Once 3.9 is broken, the next leg I see around $4.85, this area. So once this is achieved, it might go higher and higher, right? But for now, if you go from $3 to $5, this will be a nice gain. And in our Discord, we talk about PROG. I think I just update like every half an hour or 1 hour the price action, support, resistance, when you should buy, when you should get out. So for any day trade tickers we play from the morning, I always update. So this is one thing. If you really want to play PROG, please join my Patreon and Discord so that we can make money together. So anyway, it's also okay if you're following me on YouTube. It doesn't mean like you have to follow me. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. But this is the big picture on a daily chart. See how this thing is going, how it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So next thing it can go up 3.5, 3.9, or even $5. But again, I'm not pumping anything because this is not me here. This is millions of people are here, right? So they are pushing the stock price. As long they are pushing, as long volume is coming, this thing will go higher. And lastly, I want to talk about the volume and action. So let's look at the call volume for expiring 19th of November. So I see a lot of call option for 2.5 and especially for 3 and 3.5. Look at 34,000 volume, 32,000 open interest, 21,000 volume, 24,000 open interest. So 3 and 3.5, this is what people are predicting by November 19th. There is also some put option, but the volume is less. If we compare the call volume 97,000 compared to put volume only 7,000. Look at the call open interest 121% versus 30%, so 1/4. You can also take a longer expiry date. You can always go to December 17th, and still I see, but people are predicting towards November. So again, up to you. You can play with November, December. It's not very expensive. Even for December, you will get 56 days to expire. And for 3 strike price or even 3.5, the premium is really cheap. Only $80 for one call option. Buy a call option, you have 2 months. If it goes up, you make money. Then you sell, you lock your profit. Easy. See, 50% up. If I go to a November, and if you are holding a call option, 66% up, 71%. So this is why I love call option. If you know which way it is going and you buy a call option, you just make the money. The stock moved 18%, but these call options move 67, 70%. So this is the beauty, but you need to know how to play call option. So anyway, this video is just an update on the price action, what is happening, why I'm bullish, and what is the price level you want to consider if you want to get in a PROG. So anyway, give a try. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I always encourage give a try to my Patreon, join my Discord family. We talk about so many different tickers. We identify DWAC at $10. It went to 190. Then PHE, we talked about it at 1.3, it went to $26. So sometimes the members, they are wonderful. They bring very good stock, and these members are not only for my Discord. They know like other people, other YouTubers, I don't know, but they bring the good information. Then I share the chart. We work together, we grow together. So learn and earn, and also we are making money together. Give a try. If you do not have Discord, at least join my YouTube community, make some money, because you will also get member specific posts you see here, so that we can make money together. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video, and I hope we will all make money on ticker symbol PROG and other stock. So thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care. Bye bye.